Okay, we're in this big market here. There's 2 layers. The bottom floor looks like all food, and then the top floor is like clothes and other stuff. Let's see. It's a really big market. All the fishing boats. Look how many there are. Whoa. Yeah, look how close they park every single boat. Look how close they park every
walking
boat.
through all those that about 4 or 5 a.m. that would be here.
Jump across. Look at all these Thomas the Tank Engine boats. Here's the bigger ones.
That greenhouse over there, all these boats sell the catch over there, the greenhouse. Yeah, squids and fish. Mostly squid over there. Or what you can do
all these
is
fishing boats out here too.
You can come here early and they get their net onto the beach and you can help them pull the net up.
Look at that.
That's cool.
Look at all those boats. Man.
They have those round baskets.
Those little tubs. Yep.
Instead of the boat. That's their boat.
Yep, look at those little round tubs. Okay. I don't know what this place is called, but we're at this with these sculptures. Pretty close to where we were staying. What's that? Wait, what's this? What's this place? The thing is this the thing about the lady that was? Oh, just a temple?
Yeah, this is a temple.
Oh. Okay. Here you go. This is the name of the temple. These giant bonsai trees. These steps are like super tall, like one step is like almost to my knee height. Maybe like 6, 7 inches from my knee.
In this staircase.
So I have this here.
What about as the laying Buddha?
Got more of these statues here. The city's over there, off in the distance. And they have that big statue over there. Yeah, there's some temple rules. There's a map here.
Huh?
They have a fake tree here.
No flower like that do bloom in the New Year. Now, according to
It's a meditation
like
tree.
The first Buddha gained enlightenment under this one of these trees.
Here you go. We got lots of bonsai trees over here.
I love how you keep going to temple even though Patrick is like no.
Oh, look at this big statue. That thing's ginormous. They got like little butt flaps
have,
here, window
so
openings.
many of these statues. I wonder how they make it.
Yeah.
Like mass produce it.
There's little Dougie coming here. Huh? Got this guy riding a tortoise. That pond. There's the Monkey King here. There's so many. Look at this big temple. This one. So many of these. What are they? Are these actually made from like stone or is it just made to look like? Huh. So many of these. That standing on a lotus. I'll go to the front. And they have this over here. Birds up there flying around. So many bonsai trees and those statues. What's that? Go to the front. So many people here. So we have another entrance there. We have these really big lights here so that they can shine it on the statue. So here at the base, see, we have this decoration here, and inside, I'm not going in, but you can see this. If you go inside, you take off your shoes. We have another one here. It's all in Vietnamese. Can't read any of it. Let's go over there. Oh, they have some fake deer here. Another one of these. Hey look, there's some monkeys here. Hey monkey, turn around. Turn around, monkey. Oh, there's another one up there. Where'd he go? Look. Okay, there's monkeys in this temple. They just hang out here. Oh.
They're looking for food, and we're not supposed to feed them, so.
Yep.
Not
Okay.
good. Oh, the dogs are here. There's a big dog. What the?
Lots of monkeys.
Is it a?
What is it eating?
Oh, he ate, he swallowed it.
Oh no, it's eating a plastic bag. Oh no, he's eating a plastic bag. Oh, there's something in the bag. Or is that a poncho? What is that? Yeah, he's drinking from the cup. Oh. He took a candy and they knew how to open the wrapper and eat it. They're so smart. Look. Look. Look, he knows how to unwrap the packaging and everything. What? Look, and then they just throw the garbage all. What the? He like chews it. Look at this bonsai. They made a. That's so funny. Look, there's a monkey on top of its head. It's a koi pond. And the monkeys just sitting up there. Okay, we're back here. Going back. Alright, we're leaving. there's the monkeys.